Hello guys, what's up? So this video we're gonna talk about how exactly the version 0.02 about my Jarvis AI. So I built my own Jarvis with Python. Let's talk about the foundations about that. So what if you had what if you had your own Jarvis like Iron Man, a AI that can talk to you, an AI that can talk to you, understand commands, and even remember things about you. So, well, beauty one. This is my project, Jarvis V0.02, as more called as Jarvis V4. It's a AI assistant built with Python that can understand commands, generate intelligent responses, speak with voice, and store memory over time. So, let me show you how exactly I done this. So, let's enjoy through this. So here we have the brand of the AI config. It actually works as like to start the AI main point main main don't py memory readme requirements take five. Let me explain to you guys how it works one by one. So the first one we have man point man don't py right. This is a entering point where everything starts. So we have the import functions, the config about the only AI in my computer, whose I install in my system. We have the AI OLEMA, the speak system, uh, key key word keywords, which I will show you later. We have some functions, whatever. We have also the brain pie, down pie, and the decision make topic. So I don't know what exactly it works, how it actually works, because I've done now AI with ChatGPT uh, what's it, and the Cloud. Right? So I don't know. AI identify right here. We have the the input about the Olam AI. So I download it and install it, the Olam in my system, configure some functions and settings, and then you just need I just did a requirement who enter our input and output of my own AI. So the Olam is through my system. How to say that? It's installed in my system, so I won't need I won't need it uh, internet or Wi-Fi, whatever. So it actually works how it actually completely offline. It's a great point about this version or without any Wi-Fi or any internet, whatever you uh, want to call for. So we have the speak don't buy right here. Uh, makes the assistant speak. So it is another input about AI, and it makes it actually does output. However, it hear your voice, and then it processes and 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 then it processes and hear memory, and then it show you a output. So it's more uh, really for me because my English is so bad. But if I if I have something to explain to you, it is just works has an spec speech. So I don't know how exactly uh, I don't know how exactly may I explain to you exactly what it does. So how it works. Let me show you. Here's the flow. You give a comma, the system processes it, the AI generates a response, Jarvis speak back to you, and then it stores relevant data in memory. So it is not just responding, it is actually learning over time. So let me show you something. Example. If Jarvis say something, and Jarvis say, what do you know about me? And you ask about something, and it actually will respond you. So it gonna respond you about your question. You've done. You've done. So you've done. God, I'm with. Um, what makes it different? So this isn't about a chatbot. It's structured like a real system with separate models and run to scale. So you can run Tor, so you can turn this into a personal assistant, automate tools, automate a new process, or even connect, or even connect it to external APIs. So it actually doesn't stop just to ask something and put it put it away. No, no, no. It doesn't work like that. It is more um, specific to make some API requests and then bring them in themselves, and then you can do everything. You actually can do everything with this AI. So it is the most, I think I have uh, the most amazing thing I've done because it's completely different. Uh, and however it's done in my life, it is the most craziest thing I've done. So let's talk about more about the future idea. So next version could include a full way interface to real-time voice control. So a full way interface is more or less has like we have it has, for example, a it has, let's say that porta, I continue agora. It has a way interface, so see, you can type and the text field, you can send the input, and then it gonna return the with a output and make as literally kind of the Jarvis, the real Jarvis of the Iron Man movie. So I'm really amazing about doing all of this. I don't know how exactly should I express 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 my really thought because my really is so has so limited about my own expressions, about my own opinion, but I'm just trying to do something who can help me with this. So I'm really amazing about everything I've done, about everything I doing right now, and I'm so impressed about the cloud code, about ChatGPT, who's how to say that, who has been helping me with this project. So I'm really amazing about everything that who I'm really, how to say that, I'm really impressed about everything, and whatever thing can do with this own AI. with those AI because they actually can do everything with this, and I really think, and I actually thought that all of those AI can do much better, much, much, much things than than a human being has. Like um, those AI, those AI, those AIs can do so much things. I don't know how exactly to do this. So let me translate what I'm trying to say. But what I so these AIs are able to do far more in short amount of time um, than any human can do. So they actually craziest thing about AI is this: the human being, the human being gonna to do something less than. Como é que eu expresso isso? Não sei como posso expressar. So if you wanna learn, if you wanna learn how to build systems like this using AI, corta e continua. If you wanted to learn how to do a system like this using AI, and this is just the beginning of everything I'm actually will going to do. So let me know if you want a full step-by-step breakdown about uh, everything. And then, so guys, thanks so much about everything. Uh, as I explained to you guys, this is just one of the things that we do. I what the heck? As I explained, this is just one of those things I still plan to develop, improve, and complete. I intend to share each step to you. I intend to share each step of the journey with you here on YouTube. Thank you very much uh, for your attention. I apologize. I, I actually, I, I actually, by the way, I apologize if my English is not perfect, and I look forward to seeing you in the next thing about everything. Just keep waiting about more videos. I I have a solo. I go to make. I have a goal uh, to make more than a video, weekly. So it's just a goal.